Guys, and today we're back with
Hi
another
guys,
show on
Lyric
Ant
is on
Savers.
her tablet
On
and
Ant Savers. Look at that, we're both recording Ant Savers.
and so
Oh,
we're outside.
finally, some daylight. My
It
eyes.
does look like it's gonna rain. See, people, whatever your name is.
Don't say that. Whatever your name is.
Can't see me.
You can't see me that good.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, we are walking.
Yeah, right now we're together. Yeah. So we have our phone and all that. This is where we usually find ants over here.
If we find any ants, we save them.
Yeah.
And bring them to their family.
flowers.
Is that one looking for its family?
Wait.
What?
Okay, guys, let's go. I'm scared.
Because guess what we heard?
Look, they cut down our favorite tree. Well, they didn't cut it down. The door is still there.
There's an ant on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so guys, we are like,
Yeah.
we heard something in the house, in the haunted house.
It was like,
That's
a worm.
why we went outside.
A worm.
Cool.
What kind of, is it regular worm?
Yeah. Is it dead?
No, it's moving.
Okay, guys, we found a worm. Record it. Record it live.
It's her.
It is? Let's try to find a nice place where it could find food and all that.
Yeah, it looks so dry.
We should help just bugs that we find out here.
We should help bugs, worms, ants. We gotta help everything. This is our new team.
Yep, it's called the Animal Saver.
It's called the Bug Saver.
Yeah, the Bug Saver. I know bugs might be disgusting, but
Yeah, but
they're people
seriously.
too. They live too. They need food too. Nothing's different.
Yeah, like animals or bugs are just like humans, right?
There's the worm. You guys can see it perfect.
There's the worm. It needs some water, so we're gonna give it some water in this little one since it should not drown.
There we go.
Water, little buddy. Here's some water, little buddy. Here it is. There you go.
Are you recording any of this? Are you paying attention to your camera?
Well, I had to save the worm. So, I'm making it not dry. It's moving. So now we're gonna give it some food. You can see it's wet with the mud. So what? Oh, they like bugs. Tiny bugs.
We need tiny bugs. I guess we could sacrifice them.
We can only find little ants, like the babies, like the tiniest ants.
So what kind of tiny bugs do you think they will eat?
They or they just eat other, like, here, wait, they probably just eat dirt and all that and find their way, so let's just put it where...
Not in the road, though.
No, so we're gonna go in here. Over here's dirt, they can fall.
There's a spider
Where?
right there. You just threw him.
I don't care. There's a spider. Guys, there's a spider. We're so scared right now.
She just threw the ant. That's how scared she is.
No, I threw the worm.
She just threw the worm.
I don't know why I threw the worm. I could have just ran with it. No. I'm just so scared of spiders. I wonder if it's poisonous or not.
It looked pretty big.
Yeah, it was pretty big. Guys, do you want to check it out? Well, I guess you guys can't see me anymore.
There it is.
Right there.
In the web. Pretty big. I can show you though. Yes.
Pretty big.
I don't think you can see it. Yeah, I don't think you can see it. Now let's go. We won't be able to find the worm.
The worm was really dry. It had so much dirt on it.
Guys, run for your life.
Yeah.
It sounds like a shot sound.
It was from my neighbors.
Okay, we've got to go.
Let's just go in. Those are already the things. We're gonna go back outside.
I think this house is haunted.
Yeah. So we just saw so much scary things.
Yeah, I'll record her camera. Guys, look at this. Look. This is my camera. She has a phone.
Yeah. So, oh my God, we just ran for our lives. What if they could have just shot us? We would have been dead.
I ran as fast as I could.
Me too. Like, I wouldn't care if I slipped. I don't care if I would get hurt. I'll just run.
You slip, you fall.
Still, just get back up and
then
then run as fast as you can.
So guys, we're recording both of us on both of our electronics.
Yeah.
It looks so cool.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's 4 people in this room.
1. Hey, look. It's gonna pop over to yours. See? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can't see me yet. There we go.
See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, yeah. I think it's enough counting. Aren't you just... Who's holding your chin?
You? I'm joking, me.
You're holding your own chin. Who's holding her chin? Who's holding her chin? Okay, so guys, we made slime. Want to play with it?
No, definitely not, because we just heard that. So yeah.
That was like a gun.
So once we think the gun is gone and all that, we're gonna go back out there. We're gonna be brave, girls. The boys might be really scared.
Okay, we're going to be brave and risk dying.
Yeah, so
But you guys, we're going to show you how to die.
yeah.
If we die.
If you guys can hear, comment down below and hit that like button. But we're not gonna sprint.
You're scared, right?
Yeah,
What if we die?
really
What if we die? What if we
scared.
die? What if we die? What?
Yeah, I'm really scared.
What if we die? What if we die?
Yeah, what if we
What if
do
we
die?
die?
I mean, what the heck? I don't know what to do.
Let's just go out there and be brave, puppies.
Yeah. How much freckles do I have?
I think you have a couple. She's holding her phone and recording. That's why I'm recording her recording. Let's record her recording.
Yeah, I got a pop socket. It's really pretty, guys, isn't it?
She's into glamorous stuff.
So, here it is. It's so pretty.
Now record on your phone. Everyone's not watching.
So, yeah. So, right now, me and Liz are going to go and check if the gun's there. So let's go, Lyric. Come on.
The scaredy cat. Whoa. I just took off my shoes for nothing. Good thing they're flip-flops.
I don't think there you could see.
Barely.
There's your flip-flops.
Put it on the wrong way. Okay.
This is like a little off.
So if that was just like a gun,
Sure, guys.
I might die.
Yeah.
So bye if we do die.
Yeah, so bye if you do that.
I love you all.
Yeah, I love you so much. Please don't die. We're gonna go. Wait.
What?
What if the spider crawled?
Crawled where?
I don't know. Let's just stay inside.
Yeah, guys, we're scared of that gun.
We're just gonna keep our shoes on.
Just gonna keep it on. And then later we can play with slime. Later.
We saw a